You're seeing this one, guys, Python Green Carrera 4 GTS Coupe here. 72 registration, 1,400 miles on, with a massive spec. The GTS do come very well spec, but this one really does knock it out the park. You've got the upgraded 20-inch satin black wheels and 21-inch on the back. You've got the aero rear spoiler, rear axle steering, which is a huge extra. You've got tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But look at this interior, lizard green contrasted stitching throughout the full vehicle. You've also got the sports chrono clock, which is in lizard green, and the GTS centre dash. You've got the new screens because it's a 992 model, the GTS steering wheel, half leather, half Alcantara, BOSE surround sound system, and the 18-way electric adjusted with memory package seats. There's a lizard green seat belts. It's absolutely phenomenal. Exclusive light package on it. The car is full of specification over and above, like front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera system. Sports exhaust tailpipes, like new, under warranty. My name's Joe. Give me a call, drop me a text. Thanks for watching.